Hi everyone, I'm very excited to bring to you my January Secret Not Secret Kit Club unboxing video. I did not get to scrap very much last month with my December kit. So instead of doing a layout share, I only was able to scrapbook 2 pages last month. So I'll put that at the end of this, and I didn't even get to use my kit from last month. But this is my January kit, so this weekend I plan on scrapping with both kits. So I took off the tissue paper, make it easier. This is the Twilight 1 Canoe 2, which I'm very excited about. This was part of my sneak peek, actually. This was, I believe, the page that was on my sneak peek. And let's see, Feels Like Home. I do love the peach and the gray coloring. I can't wait to scrapbook with this weekend. I'm so excited. You're a peach. We went to Georgia. That worked out really well there. So, and then this is like a watercolor peach color. This is like a brown gray. Let's see, what is this? Garden tiles. I like that. I like that a lot. I think I'll use this side though. I like the watercolor that's already done for me. I love this page. It has a light gray, dark gray with the peach. Almost like a flannel. Oh, that's pretty too. But I'll probably end up using this side. Love that. Nice background paper. Reminds me of like a grid, but not. Ooh, I love this color. Oh, this is Jen Hatfield, DIY Home. I love the navy. I need to get a little more navy in my scrapbooking, so that's going to go really well with this. We have the moths. I think I have something that I can use this side for the butterflies. Oh, but I like that side too. Oh my gosh. Flight of Moths is what this is called. Once again, a nice subtle pattern that we can use as background. Little X's in the navy. And wow. This is awesome. Both sides. I might use both. I might fussy cut some and then use the other part as some matting. Fireflies in the garden. So pretty. And I'll probably end up using this side. I'm better with the patterns than I am with the scenic, even though I do like this. I asked Christina to add some basil marshmallow stock because I was curious. So I had her add 5 sheets. And actually this is very, very thick. So I can't wait to do some mixed media on this paper to see how it works. So I have 5 sheets of that. And then I have, we got little garden tiles. Oh, that works out well because I can use both sides of that. I like the polka dots. Oh, look at the fireflies. Aren't those cute? They're little fireflies. And I like that pattern up there as well. Cute. And then we have our doilies. We always get, I love my doilies. And then this is the sticker sheet. So let's see. Got You're a Peach, You and Me, Sweet and Simple. Oh, I love the stack of books. Home is Where You Are. What does that? Feel Like Home. They have little banners. I like this. I like that a lot. Let's see. And then I have, I got 2 stencils. I got the mini designer. I got the butterflies. I love that. But I also, this is what I'm excited about. I got the rose, which I'm going to do some stitching on a page with this and my kit from last month, which is Maggie Holmes. So that's going to work out really well, I think. Anyways, in my mind, it's working out really well. And then this is one little bird. I think these are just vellum. Oh, how cool. Those are vellum stickers, actually. And they go perfect the colors are perfect with the kit. I like those a lot. Let's see, and then we have thickers, which you can never have enough thickers. I like these thickers. What I like about these is they're white, but I can also use acrylic. Oh, fabric chipboard stickers. That's kind of cool. I was thinking I could also use acrylics to color them if I need be. Yeah, they're just normal stickers. So those are awesome. And then Inklings Coral Reef. Now, I've never worked with this. I'm going to have to go on YouTube and check this out, or maybe Beth or Hannah will have something. So, this is shimmers, so I'm sure I can go back and look at one of their videos and see how to use that. And then pasties, Salt of the Earth, which is shimmers again, and I will have to also Google this, because I am unsure how to use this. And then, another distress crayon. I really enjoyed the yellow one that I have, so this peach color will work well with it too. So we will see how we're going to work that out. So, I'm so excited. There's so much goodness here. And then my little bags. Well, I just seen a layout. I went back and looked at Christy's 30 Days of Sketches from last year that she did, and there was one with a bike on it, so that'll work out really well. This is the ephemera. I like that. Your peach. Tea. Little heart. Oh, another little firefly. Like those. A moth. And then the banners. Those are awesome. So that's the first bag of goodies. And then our second bag of goodies. Oh, so cool. I seen this on somebody else's kit, and I love it. This is going to be cool. Not sure how I'm going to use it, but it's going to add texture. And it's not too thick, but it's like ribbon. It's like leaf ribbon that's gold. So I can't wait to see how I'm going to use that. And then these beautiful florals. That's in there. So put that back over here. And then the last bag. I'm so excited. So these are the wood enamel buttons, and that's also one Canoe too, because there's the firefly right there, and there's like a barn scene. I'm sure it's hard to see. And then the floral. Oh, those are fun. I'm gonna have fun with those. And then the texture, like the ribbon, which is in pink. Let's see, going the wrong way with it. That will work really nice with my kit, actually my January kit. So that's awesome. And then pom-poms. Who doesn't love pom-poms? Those are fun. So there's that. So that is my January kit, which Christina, once again, knocked it out of the park. I absolutely love everything in my Secret Not Secret Kit Club. I'm very excited to work with the mixed media, especially with the marshmallow basil paper. I'm curious to see how that works out. And then my two layouts that I had, that I buried already in my paper, in my excitement. This was the sketch challenge from the party, scrap party last month, which Scott, here, take it out of the page projectors. So I still have to journal. I think I'm going to journal up here. It's a little crooked, but that's okay. I can live with that. But basically what I did is I took the sketch and I needed to add something to it. So what I did in, I believe it was Hickory Smoke, I had a 12 by 12 stencil, and I just put the stencil over it, and I stamped the ink through the stencil. And I liked how that came out. And her face, don't grow up, it's a trap. She kind of has a devious face. So, and then the other one was my big word, magical. So basically this is what I used my yellow distress crayon on. And then I put a star stencil over it, and I don't know if you can see, and then I took a baby wipe and I wiped off the distress crayon, and I backed the stars in different colors. Basically, this was my daughter's first show that she went to, and we didn't take any pictures. So this is the Magic Tree House book that she used to read. That was her first series of books that she started to read on. And so I just downloaded a picture and printed it with my Canon selfie. And then I'm just going to scrapbook and talk about, you know, the theater and her first book series of reading. But what I really do like about this layout is the stars that came with the different kits. I had 3 of them left over and they fit perfectly, so I glued them in there. And I don't know if the camera does them justice, but in person the gold kind of stands out. So these are the only, like I said, the only 2 pages I got from last month, and I'm hoping that I'm going to get a lot more done this weekend. So thanks everybody for watching, and I'm sure we'll be talking on Facebook this weekend. Have a great week. Bye-bye.